Are you ready to get your beauty on today? Yes, it's time for another unboxing video. This time, Boxy Luxe. Okay, first of all, for all of you who don't know, Boxy Luxe, i.e. Boxycharm, is a monthly subscription service. You get full-size beauty products in the box. The Boxy Luxe, the box that I'm going to unbox today, is a $50 once every 3 month subscription. Now, when you sign up, it's $21. But this box only comes once every 3 months. So, say you have January, February, and March. January it's $21, February it's $21, and March is the $50 box. Now this box, you get more than the average 5 full-size products. And this box is supposed to be over $200 in value. So the value's there. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Let me put this box over there. Whoopsie. Okay, so the first thing in the box I see is this product right here. Pardon me just a minute. I have to get my sheet. Now, the theme for this month's box is La Vie en Rose. And this product is from Wander Beauty. It is the Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. Now, it's a peel off mask. So, when you peel it off, if you don't put a thick enough layer, it is going to hurt like the dickens. So, just be aware. So this, safety seal. It has a nice smell. It's not like an overly rosy smell by all means, but it's a nice little pink lift-off mask. So can't wait to try that out. And that retails for $34. Okay. The next thing is called the Iconic, it's by Iconic London, and it's called the Eyebrow Cushion. Now this little bugger right here retails for $40. So, let's get it out of the package. Woo! Now, here's what the package looks like. What you do is you open it up, and then, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Has this little flip top thing. Here's the cushion. It's a split pan. So one's brown and the other one's dark brown. Now, right now, I'm strawberry blonde, so these colors are going to be too dark for me. But once I go back to my natural hair color, you know, it'll be good. So it comes with this little tiny mini baby brush. You got a spoolie on one end and a little eyebrow brush on the other. And it folds up all nice and cute. So you just tap into the product, get some on your brush, and then you're going to go like that. And that is the lightest color. So there we go. If I shear it out a little bit, I'm sure I could make it work. But, so we'll be saving this for a rainy day. Alright. And like I said, that retails for $40. The next thing in the box is from Deborah Lippman. And these are little nail polishes. And these are little tiny baby bottles. One's more of like a pinky brownie nude, and this one is a little bit darker, but it does have a little bit of sparkle in it. So my toes will be getting happy. But that set retails for $20. Woo. Next, we have another skincare item in the box. This is from It Cosmetics, and this is their Confidence in a Cream. It says it's a transforming moisturizing super cream. Ooh, super cream. I know it retails for $48 and it's super expensive. Woohoo! Now let's take a look at this luscious cream. Has a nice, like, creamy, pretty good creamy formula. It seems to absorb really well and fast into the skin. It does have a little bit of a maybe a lemony zesty smell, but you get a pretty good amount. Let's see if I can see how many ounces. So this is 2 full ounces. So that's a pretty good amount for a cream, especially for $48. Okay, I'm just going to pull these out and set them on my desk since I'm having, well, my desk is super messy. Okay, the next thing in the box is these Lilly lashes. And as I've said before, I love the idea of lashes. I'm just not talented enough to put them on myself. But these lashes retail for $24.99. Wow, that's some expensive lashes. Now, the next thing in the box is from Morphe. Here we go. It's the 15B Brunch Babe. Now this was a variation item, so there was like 4 or 5 different possible palettes you could get. And I'll show you the colors. It comes with a nice mirror. And here are the colors. And they have some really nice little pops of pinks and peaches. So some really nice little, not out there crazy vibes. We do have a really good selection of more, if you're going for a more subdued daytime, natural, neutral look, this is the palette for you. Now, we did also get an item directly from Boxycharm on their merch. So, they sent this train case right here. It's very metallic-y, kind of like a rose goldy color. And then you open it up, it says Boxycharm right on the lid. Has a little bit of a depth. Here is my heat protectant, so you can see about how deep it is. Because I have so much makeup, I won't be using that for makeup storage, but I am going to put my husband's medications in it. I think that will be really perfect there. And then the next thing in the box should have been from Moda Brushes. It should have been their Sculpt and Glow brushes, but I didn't get those in my box. They're missing, so bummer for me. And those were going to retail for like $29.99. So the next thing in the box is the CoverFX Perfector Face Palette in medium deep. And as you can tell, I am not a medium deep skin tone. And I knew that they sent me the wrong shade, but I did get Charms as a replacement. But I am still going to use this palette because these are some colors that I can use on my eyes. Maybe I could use the highlight and the bronzer or the contour color is just too dark. I mean, there's no way. But so I will use them on my eyes, so I will get some use out of this palette. I've been searching on the internet to see if anyone had one to trade for my Boxycharm groups, and as soon as they get posted, boom, they're gone. But I've been trying and trying, so that, you know, it is what it is. The next product in the box was from Becca Cosmetics, and it was the Ultimate The Ultimate Lipstick Love. And you know, I've only gotten a few products from Becca. I have like one of their Perfectors, and it's really good. I mean, I enjoy it. But the color I got was in C Soufflé, which is just too dark of like a brownie color for me. I'm not really into it, so I'll be passing this on to somebody else, which is a shame because, as you know, I'm easily amused with lipstick cases, and this one is magnetic. So that's kind of cool, but like I said, I wish it would have been in a color I could wear. Okay, so that's all I got this month in my box. So let's talk about the products real quick. The CoverFX Perfector Face Palette retails for $45. The Moda Brushes, the Powder and Soft Glow Kit, which I did not get, $29.99. And it's supposed to be in my box, but it's not. I got gypped, apparently. The Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion retails for $40. I think that's a little high, but, you know. And then the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask retails for $34. The Lilly Lashes, their exclusive faux mink Gaia lashes, retail for $24.99. The IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. It retails for $48. The Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love retails for $24. The Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette retails for $16. And the Deborah Lippman O'Donna and Modern Love Nail Polish Duo retails for $20. And the Boxycharm Train Case retails for $20. Now, I just want to remind you that I paid $50 for this box, and the overall retail value of this box is $301.98. So the value is really great there. So that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this video and like this content, give me a good old thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to be on the cusp of all the new videos that I put up, just hit that notification bell. Alright. Thanks for getting your beauty on today with me, folks. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.